Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new. My name's Kristen. In today's video, I am going to be doing a Sunday reset of my whole home. So I'm going to be doing some much needed cleaning, restocking, and organizing of my refrigerator, and just kind of getting the family and myself ready for the following week. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you want to stick around for future videos. Also, share these videos with your family and friends. That really helps out my channel. Thank you guys so much. Normally on Sundays, I either do a light clean or a full clean of my restroom. Today I'm doing a light clean, so I'm wiping down the mirrors inside of the restroom. They always seem to get water or toothpaste sticks onto the mirror, as well as the counter and the sink. I'm also going to be cleaning that as well. Lucky for me, guys, I have teenage girls who already know how to remake their bed, so I don't have to worry about them, which comes in handy very often. I just have to come in here and do Catalina's bed and just kind of remake it, this is why I love the girls' room, because there's not much that I need to do because I have teenagers, which is awesome. So as always in the boys' room, I always have to remake their bed. Lucky for me, I did it before I started filming, which I forgot to even turn the camera on. But now I'm just vacuuming the rug because they are boys and the rug oftentimes gets very dirty. So I'm just vacuuming the rug in their room. So today is one of those days where there's a ton of dishes in the sink due to the fact that I just did not feel like cleaning them the day before. I was just like, I'm going to do it the next day. I'm going to bed. And now I have a ton of dishes that I have to get done by hand, which I absolutely hate washing dishes with my hand. I love using the dishwasher, but today is just one of those days. So I just have to jump in there and get it done. Whenever I am washing dishes by hand, I love using a drop of bleach just to disinfect and get those dishes clean. You guys let me know in the comment section down below if you do that as well. I know I do, and I love the way it cleans. I've been doing that from since I was a kid, but I don't know, maybe it's just me, but you guys let me know. here is all my daughter's birthday supplies for her birthday party that I'm planning for next Saturday. And I just haven't got the time to like put these things away. So this kitchen is pretty much in a mess. And oops, candy wrapper on the floor. So I'm pretty much gonna place them up on the thread.
You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove.
This has to be the most frustrating thing when having kids. They just like get gunk all over your light fixtures, your doors, and you're constantly just like cleaning it. Very frustrating. So I have been meaning to get around to cleaning this kitchen window for some time now. It always seems to have water on the window from everyone just using the zinc throughout the week. So I'm glad that I'm finally getting around to actually cleaning it and also cleaning the debris and dirt that's in the actual windowsill. Okay, guys, so I did a little bit of grocery shopping and I'm gonna get all this grocery packed away and placed into the fridge and just kind of like organize my fridge a little bit. So this is currently how the fridge look. I'm gonna do a little bit of speed cleaning before I start organizing and just packing things away. I have my dish of water and Dawn soap mixed with vinegar, so I'm just gonna do like a quick clean. Okay, so I did a little bit of grocery shopping and I'm gonna get all this grocery packed away and placed into the fridge and just kind of like organize my fridge a little bit. So this is currently how the fridge look. I'm gonna do a little bit of speed cleaning before I start organizing and just packing things away. I have my dish of water and Dawn soap mixed with vinegar, so I'm just gonna do like a quick clean. healthy snack packages for the kids as well as for us, the adults. The kids absolutely love it and we love it as well. And hey, it's healthy, so it works out great. But I like to cut up cucumbers and place them into little snack bags, as well as carrots, and place them into the fridge so the kids can grab them, Monday through Friday, or throughout the week, just to have and eat something healthy instead of the typical junk food that kids normally eat. Don't you guys just love when things are neatly organized? I don't know, maybe it's my OCD, but I love when things are neatly organized and I know where I can find them. It's 100 degrees outside right now, and I'm watering this bush that I never seem to remember to water, but I'm gonna start watering it from now on. And Alon's outside trimming the weeds around the backyard. This is pretty much a typical Sunday in my living room. There will always be toys everywhere. Cell phone chargers, water bottles, shoes. My kids have no care in the world. I guess because they have me to clean it up for them. But this is just pretty much a typical Sunday around our house. You guys let me know in the comments down below. Do you guys struggle with the same situation? Because hey, when you have kids, I guess it's just normal. Well guys, this is pretty much the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys get the motivation or inspiration that you were looking for. Until next time guys, stay blessed, stay wonderful, stay lovely. Love you guys. Bye.